Welcome back to my channel where I make the complex world of real estate a breeze. Today's topic, title insurance. It's the insurance no one wants to pay for, yet it's always done for a real estate closing. So buckle up because I'm about to decode the enigma for you. Well, if you're new to my channel, I am Maria Wells, located on the Treasure Coast of Florida, which includes towns like Stuart, Jensen Beach, Hobe Sound, Hutchinson Island, and more. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the Florida real estate market. Title insurance is not like your run-of-the-mill home or auto insurance. It's a whole different ballgame. Title insurance doesn't protect you from future events. It protects you from the past. Well, are you confused yet? Well, don't worry. I'm here to untangle the web of confusion. When you buy a house, a townhouse, a condo, you're not just getting 4 walls and a roof, but you're inheriting all the history of that home. And guess what? That history could be loaded with surprises from the past. Title insurance is your shield against these hidden landmines. Title insurance operates in a fascinating time warp. It starts the day it's issued, but moves backward in time, protecting you from issues or claims on your property that might have occurred in the past. It also extends forward, guarding you until you pass that property on to a new owner. It's like a guardian angel for your real estate investment. Now, I know it all sounds like we've just entered the twilight zone of insurance. Before we dive deeper, let's clarify a couple of terms. Title. It's not just a snazzy name. It's the legal concept of ownership. It says this property is mine. Depending on the location, your property ownership history might date back for decades. So here's the kicker. These title issues aren't tied to individual owners. They're attached to the property itself. They're like a stubborn stain that just won't disappear until it's scrubbed clean. These issues can pop up from all corners, like inaccurate surveys, boundary disputes, open building permits, unpaid taxes, you name it. These are called title defects or clouds on the title. Here's where it gets a little juicy. Not all title defects are neatly recorded in public records. Some lurk in the shadows, hiding in the building department files, unpaid bills, or HOA charges. So my viewers, these squeaky, unrecorded title issues can absolutely wreak havoc on your closing. I had a closing once where there was an elderly gentleman who was selling his home, and we couldn't close as he was married numerous times and kept giving ownership to each of those wives, but he didn't transfer them correctly. So to make a very long story short, it eventually closed, but not until having to contact many heirs to sign off any rights of this property so the new owners would have peace of mind that they actually owned it. So to ensure your property's title is squeaky clean, title agents and attorneys conduct an exhaustive title search, sifting through deeds, court records, and more, both recorded and unrecorded. Now you might wonder, if the experts are doing all of this searching, why do I need insurance? Well, because even the experts can't uncover every hidden hazard. That could be forged documents, fraud, mental incompetence by one of the previous owners. Those are just a few of the landmines that could explode in your face. And that's where title insurance sweeps in as your guardian angel. It protects your property rights and covers you when the unforeseen challenges arise from a murky depths of the past. The title insurance is guaranteeing if anything comes up, they will pay for that defect. But wait, there's a catch. Like all insurance policies, title insurance has exclusions and exceptions. For instance, it might not cover disputes over lot lines if a new survey wasn't conducted during a purchase. So it's crucial to understand the fine print and ask questions. Plus, I just gave you a great other hint. That's why you need a survey to make sure is attached to your title policy. So speaking of questions, don't hesitate to grill your settlement agent about these exclusions. And that is so important for you to understand everything that you're paying for in your title insurance policy. One more thing, title Title insurance is a one-time payment made at closing, and its coverage lasts as long as you own that property. It's like a timeless shield against the perils of the past. The moment you pass that property to a new owner, the coverage ends. But until then, rest easy knowing that you've got title insurance by your side. And there you have it. Title insurance demystified. It might be a bit perplexing, but it's your safety net against the ghosts of real estate past. So when it comes to protecting your property, always keep one eye on the future and one eye on your title. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay healthy and wise.